To my countrymen, just to give you the current situation. I am about to land sa gate. Galing ako Dubai. Stop walk for it's a long haul, it's a long flight. Okay ako. Do not worry. And I think this is something to do with the law and order, no? At sinasabi ko naman sa mga polis, military na trabaho kayo at ako ang managot. So ito na nga. For all of the whatever happened in the past, ako na yung nag-front sa ating law enforcement at military. Sinabi ko na I will protect you and ako ang managot sila. This will be a long legal proceedings. I say to you, I will continue to serve the country at so be it. Kung ganun ang destiny ko. Salamat.